Hey, longtime fans, it's my yearly Senko Hanabi update video. Have I gotten any better at making these gentle Eastern fireworks? If you haven't seen my other videos, check them out. Otherwise, stay tuned for what did I learn about Senko Hanabi this year. One of the things I tried to do this year is make my own charcoal.
Daddy, what are you doing?
I'm making charcoal. I'm making my own charcoal. You know the Senko Hanabis?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to make my own I'm going to make my own charcoal because I think it makes better Senko Hanabis. That's right. So I took some pine branches out of my backyard and I cranked them out into some charcoal. Based on the research, it seems pine branches are the way to go, or at least some type of pine wood. I have to look to see if there may be something that works better than the branches. And so that's it. I just took it in the lab and I ground it up. Charcoal is actually a pretty interesting process in its own right, probably worthy of its own video, but not today. So I ground it up. The three sisters of Senko Hanabi are charcoal, sulfur, and potassium nitrate. You're looking at about 10% charcoal, 30% sulfur, and about 60% potassium nitrate, give or take. And you can just take those, and it seems to be that mortars and pestles are still the best way to grind up this black powder. Now again, those exact ratios can change. I'm going to look in and see if I can tweak some stuff, maybe 5% one way or the other, but you know. I've been sticking around with party streamers ever since NightHawkinLight said they were pretty good due to their flame resistance. Now again, this sheet is probably too wide as it is, and I'm probably adding too much powder. You really only need about 1/10 of a gram. But anyway, so I started with just some black powder in there. I think there is still a lot of research that needs to be done on the width of this and also the type of paper. I think there's probably better paper than streamers. And the distribution, but really straight off the bat, these were pretty good Senko Hanabis. Just putting the black powder in there, not worrying too much about composition and stuff like that. I got some nice branching and some nice sparking. So really the rest of this video was, could I do any better than this based on where I am? So one of the things I tried to do was to get a more uniform distribution of the powder. I thought maybe I could get away with putting in some ethanol, making sort of a paste, and then applying that paste to a small piece of streamer inside a larger casing so that as it dried out, the gunpowder would be more uniform. So here I am, I'm just taking a little bit of the streamer and kind of running it through this black powder ethanol mix. Now the ethanol is going to evaporate off. It'll leave the black powder behind. Now again, I'm not totally sold. I like the fact that it got a lot of the air out of there maybe. I like the fact that it was uniform distribution. Overall, these are probably not as good as the pure black powder, but I think it was worth experimenting with, so I tried some other ideas out. I tried a bunch of different designs of tissue paper and streamer, and these were all pretty much duds. Anytime I added even more paper, it was getting worse and worse. So again, I think one of the big ideas of Senko Hanabi is really less is more. Less paper, less gunpowder. Now, what I did do is I tried a couple more ideas on the inside, really trying to get more gunpowder on the inside. I don't think I had enough last time. But again, it might just be because I have too much paper. I'm trying to compensate for all this paper by putting more gunpowder in. So again, just less paper, less gunpowder, all this stuff. So here I am wrapping it up. I was getting a little better at wrapping. Again, I think there's still a technique to be delved from research. So I'm going to look a little bit more about the best way to wrap a Senko. But as you can see, I can wrap pretty fast if I need to. I can wrap about 400 times faster than normal speed if I need to. So was it worth it? Was trying to embed the gunpowder in ethanol and then put it on an inner sheet worth it? Maybe. Some of the ones over to the right are pretty good, but overall, I can't say these are that much better than just the black powder. The one on the right's pretty good. So I like the idea of a more uniform distribution. I like the idea of maybe using the ethanol and making like a little slug of the black powder. But again, I ran out of time. They kicked me out of the building. It was the end of the school year. So, you know, what can you do? So I filmed them all in slow motion. This is the only one I left in slow motion though. So this is slowed down 8 times. And as you can see, that's a pretty good dross ball, decent sparking. Again, I didn't have to blow on it or anything like that. So what have I learned? I think that, again, streamers are a pretty good way to go. I think that you definitely want to use less streamer. I think the pine branch was a big hit. I like the idea of making my own charcoal. I still have to investigate. Maybe there are other parts of the pine tree to use. I think the amount of black powder really needs to be controlled. I think the amount of streamer and paper needs to be controlled. I think I need to look into different types of paper. Obviously, true Japanese sparklers are probably not using party streamers. So I have a little bit more research to do. I think I've sort of hit a wall with what I'm just going to get tinker around in a laboratory. And so I think I need to hit the books and try to figure out what the experts have already figured out instead of trying to reinvent the Senko here. But this isn't bad. I mean, check this little guy out. He's doing a pretty good job. And again, remember, this is slowed down 8 times. That's how fast this stuff is popping off there and branching off there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So I've got my homework kind of set out for me this summer. I don't know how much I'll be able to get back in the lab, but I'm running down a couple leads on how to make even better Senko Hanabi. I hope someday maybe to be making some of the nicest Senko in the United States. I think that would be pretty awesome if I could get to that level where I'm consistently making high quality Senkos. So if you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, because I'm sure you're going to want to see where this goes next. And we'll be doing some other videos this summer too. I have some other things to do about phase diagrams and things like that. So it's not all Senko all the time here. Thanks for watching and have a great summer, not just a great day.